Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Stanford local and long-distance movers near me. There are plenty of options you can enjoy with a long-distance moving company like us, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you choose to work with us for your long-distance move, you get the help you truly need. We know how to make your relocation so much easier. Our team of movers will ensure your things stay protected no matter how far you need to move. A Kentucky moving company will make your local move much easier. Without the help of professional movers, you're stuck recruiting friends and family to help. It's a lot of work, and the heavy lifting can lead to damaged items without good movers helping you. 3 Movers will not only do the heavy lifting for you, but also make sure you save time and energy on your local move. We know how to streamline the process so your move takes as little time as possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Stanford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.